how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a unicorn cat. It's going to be really cute and I think you'll like it. Let's go over it right now. So let's start really immediately with kind of one stroke along here, along the edge, along the side of the face, and then right here along the other side of the face. It's just that same exact shape. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna pull this, I don't know how to say it, like this tongs shape for the ear. Top of the head. The same shape as on the other side. I have a cat as well outside. Her name is Sophia. Not gonna draw her though. This is just gonna be a little kind of cartoony version of her. Maybe not her, but because she's got a very distinctive look. Now I'm gonna put a little small shape right here, upside down U. For the eyes, they're gonna be kind of doing this cute little squint. Then, a little bit of a nose here. It's like an upside down triangle. Small nose. I'm gonna go in. Pulling kind of a C shape from the nose on one side and a C shape on the other. Shape for the tongue right here, a little bit of a U and a straight line coming out to show the fold of the tongue. Pulling down a straight line for the side of the body. A little bit of a nub for the foot. Straight line for the underside of the body. I'm going to start pulling another nub. Either side of the foot, the front feet. Now I'm going to pull a curve right here for the back, the hind legs and the back. And pull another C curve, which is going to be the knee folded up. And I'm going to throw another kind of round shape here for the hind leg bunched up. Now I'm going to go over here to the back and put his tail. And I'm going to think of like an S. And it gets bigger toward the top. And it gets smaller toward the body. I'm going to do another S shape, but it's going to be bigger toward the back. Hopefully you're following along. I try to make these easy for you to follow along. Let me know if you need to. Please pause the video or rewind it if you missed a step. Trying to make all these kind of step by step easy enough for you to follow along. You can also fix little lines here around the edge in case you find them uneven. Just kind of like going over them again. You can kind of repair them. Now I'm going to do is I'm going to put the unicorn itself. Then triangle, right, on the head. Little stripes going diagonally for the kind of kind of the horn, maybe the kind of rivets on the horn itself. And I'm gonna throw whiskers here, 3 lines. Make them thin. Start them from somewhere on the outside of the face, outskirts of the face. 3 on each side. And maybe 3 dots around the face there. And if you really want, you can throw little triangles in the ears. And that's pretty much it, guys. Throw it all in here. If you guys like this video, please do me a huge favor. Please share it. Share it on Facebook, on Twitter, anywhere that you go. And please hit that like button if you did enjoy it. Also, give me more requests for what else you want to see. I'm going to start doing all kinds of stuff on here. Please request it in the comments below. I reply to every single comment. So I'll see you guys soon, and I'll talk to you later.